Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one, okay? I am coming through with a unit from the Julia Hair.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Okay, so this will be an easy one. I don't expect her to take long. I'm coming through with a 24-inch, okay, UPart wig. Let me get to the top of her. Oh, she got lace in the back. I didn't notice that. Okay, so I'm coming through with this unit with all this Mammy Tam hair from Julia Hair. Look at her. Nice texture. It's supposed to look like our hair, okay? Our hair. All right. She's currently going for $200, $207.10 on juliahair.com. Okay. Let's get into the deets of this unit. So she has 1, 2, 3 combs right here in this first semicircle, 2 on the side, okay, and then 1 in the back with also some lace so you can throw her up, and adjustable straps. Wakanda forever. I came through giving natural love, sex, and magic. Are you picking it up? Is it there? Is it providing? Okay, so we can get into this unit now. Julia Hair so graciously provided us with some wig caps, which is so sweet. Okay, they always come through with a new cute little gift with purchase, and this, they provided us with these clips. I am obsessed with these clips. Okay, the scarf as well as lashes. So I'm just going to bring this down here. So let's get our base together and everything that I'm doing here. So obviously I'm looking very natural. Ooh, natural. Don't want to leave this much out. My hair is so dry. Do you hear me? Look at how white my scalp is, guys. Oh my goodness. So dry. I actually try not to do too much to my hair. I just took my braids out because I was walking around and Joe kind of like laughed at me. I was looking like Big Meech, or Little Meech, or whatever the Meeches is, one of them. I had my old braids and they was old as hell too. Not even fresh. And I was like, let me take these out because he thinks he's not taking me seriously as a human being. But I need to go through, and maybe you guys have some suggestions about some dry hair form. Not even dry hair, dry scalp. My hair is really hydrated. It's just my scalp. So we're not braiding anything down. I'm just going to throw her in a cute little pony in the back. I can't believe I'm about to like really, what do they call that? Straighten my hair. I hate doing that, but I might not even have to because this is a thicker unit. So I'm just going to go through. We're going to lay these edges. We're going to use our edge booster. Now just up. Ding, 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 ding. Look how cute she is. Just mini booster. Okay. And then I'm going to do that. I'm going to shut my motherfucking mouth and get her together. obsessed. This hair is so soft. So soft. Okay, like to the touch, she's absolutely beautiful. I think that the look is really, really natural looking, despite the fact that this is super long. I still think I'm giving my good cousin Ananda Lewis. Who am I giving right now, y'all? Am I giving Kenya more? Oh, I'm giving Kenya more realness. Am I giving Kenya more realness? Y'all know she an evil villain in my story. Now listen, I really genuinely don't have any complaints about this unit, except I have one. And this is my truth, okay? When we are doing UPart wigs, VPart wigs, I think the standard at this point should be clips. Clips! Now, this unit is relatively snug on my head. However, Wakanda forever all the way in the back, okay? Wakanda forever down, okay? Because otherwise she will fall up off my head and I ain't got time. I ain't got time, okay? So what I do love is that she's laying really flat, like really flat. It looks really seamless and beautiful. I went through, hydrated that scalp because she was looking very ashy. Ashy. Okay, otherwise I really do love this unit. I think the texture of the hair is beautiful. It looks so, look at how my hair blended, guys. Can you see? It looks so good. Like, it looks really, really, really good. I'm really excited about this. I think Julia Hair absolutely positively outdid themselves. It's not up for debate. It's just not up for debate. This unit, and it's affordable. For just $210 for 24 inches, this is long hair, y'all. Long. Okay, long hair, like she's giving, and I'm really excited about this one. So let me know, bust down, let me know what you guys think. I really don't have much to say. She did not shed. She barely tangled, which is wonderful because this is nice thick hair, but you can tell it is human hair. It's funny, I just did earlier a synthetic unit, same kind of texture. It's supposed to give the same kind of effect, but the difference. The difference, child. So let me know what you think. This unit is super versatile. You can wear her back. It's a shame I put my ponytail in my thing. But look how she's giving. Is she not a vibe? Bitch, bye. Bye. I ain't got nothing else to say. I come through. I do all these things. And listen, listen. I don't really deserve this. I'm just getting those flyaways out of here. They don't want me to be great. Let me tell you. You tell me what you guys think, okay? We're doing V-part wigs, U-part wigs. It's a season, especially because we can finally add heat to our hair and it stay. I love the summertime, and that's no dig on the summertime, but it can't get no colder than it is today. How about that? How about that? So bust down, subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think. Did Julia Hair provide? Is she giving me? Is this me? Is this me? Is this all me, y'all? I think it is. I think it is. So I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.